Ren sepang kejinya rem kejinya job. Kamtam ka MDC bat ka MLA kan mau bahagia per pak pak. Ngan batai biang let ngan refresh kejemut jumpa kacau baru. HUR ya katsan. Bor bengi pelong ya ka this council election Hakaru Hills. Danglong cipentar Dr. Mukul Sangma. Ka kongres jongi hat kopor niyo tang nyosit. Nyosit niyo. But hakatu kopor ke NCP. Kayo siposit. Dengan tarai ladingi keren ngi ka kejingkli ka bapikli sepangka akulai. Arajara akulai. Ngayo i ba kaya per bakutan. Hapdeng ke election MLA bat ka election MLC. Pi nakaliang jongi ka parti NPP. Kabenengkong kabangakwa amne ban penpau ke jing sengungu ke jing subro. Yegi nong tebut barok jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous Council ki ba simkia ki ba kitkia banwan ban tebut atau ka kat artrik batru kabaa kaba ngi nakaliang ka parti ngi diang ya ban ngi burong ya karai jong upai ba hapo ka Garo Hills Autonomous Council ha ka ban nakaliang ka NPP ngi yo tang kan wesit ban nakaliang jong ka kongres kayo kan arsip ngi pediang ya kan ke verdict lani ya kan kamon ubabun balan bad ngangit skemru bakane kejing pediang jungi kelong da kejing skurit bad banang ni sekman ngin persyang ban trei khamba laisha sausha khnang ba ka parti jungi kanang kiu nakawe ka election sawe party election mo hakawe dei ka MLA bad ka MDC election kumma ngan batai biangan ni kelong ba Budsin ka MLA election kaya de kumwe ka MDC election kaya de kumwe. Hakane ka election saka Khasil Autonomous Council hangne hapo Khasil district jongi na try pikan mawa. Ba kibapun ki candidate ki ba pendiang mangi kumanga. Ngidon armut ki candidate ki bangi pendiang ka bahap apo kapun sela konsensi. Yarem lut brokoy. Nangta hakate ka last election ru don armut job tangui tenrei anak poi ha kamili election ngawang ti ka verdict jong pai ba kaya jong pai pa tiki bapun ni ki ba pendieng pi ong parti pi ong sitting amili kalong bunda tenrei ha ka por be le kamili election ngawang pi kaya per bak la bak namar ba upai ba habu jet ya ki MLA dakawe ka karukom perkat perlanjuki ha ka por be ki jet MDC dakawe karukom perkat perlanjuki. After 3-4 months, people they forgot. Just after 3-4 months, the MD selection wave is gone. Everybody will forget it, and then again, as I said to you, our focus as party, our focus is for 2023 election. Okay, 2023 election. So please don't misunderstand by saying that NPP. Though they are in the ruling, they are leading the government, they lost their might, they lost their power in the MD election, means they're losing the crown in MLA election 2023. I think that is totally wrong. Much alive. NPP wave in Garo Hills, it's very much alive. That's what I reminded you just now about the last election of Garo Hills Autonomous Council, that time when Dr. Mukul Sangma was the chief minister in 2015. 2015, that time, Congress got only 7 seats. Whereas NCP that time, a small opposition party in the assembly, they got 10 seats. So you understand. So therefore, your question by saying that winning the MDC election is a threat or is a plus point for the 2023 election MLA is totally different. We need to respect the verdict given by the voters in the Garo Hills Autonomous Council. So we accepted it with humility, number one, and number two, we will again try our best in the coming election that we improve ourselves. See, as I said to you, right from the first question you asked me, we accepted the verdict of the voters in each and every constituency. We thank those constituencies who has faith on us. Again, they voted in favor of our candidates. So we at least secured 11 seats. So the rest, be it the constituency of Chief Minister, be it the constituency of MLAs, I think my only saying is we respect and accept the verdict of the voters. Let us see when the new executive committee is formed. I am sure any party who's taken over the executive committee in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, that they should do well, perform well, and also meet all the aspirations of the people of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. No, now they have opened an account. BGP, I think this time they have opened an account. They got 2 seats. Okay, they got 2 seats. So again, back to square one. I would like to tell you once again, we respect the verdict of the voters in Garo Hills. Now our Chief Minister is in Tura. So let us see. We are working out. I think maybe very soon, maybe by tomorrow, the afternoon, you will be able to know exactly what is going to happen.